Hey y'all, so I know you've heard that when you're measuring items in liquid, you should use a liquid measurement vehicle like this cup here for measuring liquids. And when you're measuring dry ingredients, you should use your measuring spoons your measuring cups, or you can use a scale. What's real popular now is scale. So I wanted to see if a cup of flour, now I've already fluffed this cup and I've put it in here and patted it down, is a cup in liquid form. So let's try that. And let's level it off and let's see what it comes to. Y'all, it's still a cup. That has always puzzled me. I don't know if that's puzzled y'all, but it's still a cup. And everybody, all of the professionals will swear that these measurements are not equal, but to make sure we're right, it's about the same. And the only reason I bring this up, I always think about Mama when she was cooking. She could measure a cup in either vehicle or either just in a regular cup, and her food would come out perfect. So I'm confused as to why it's such a big deal. I mean, I understand professionally why it's such a big deal because the professionals have been taught to use a scale to measure your ingredients in grams, either liquid or dry ingredients. But most of us are just home cooks, y'all. And so I wanted to do this demonstration just to show you a cup in this, still a cup in that. All right. Love y'all. See y'all on the next video. Bye now.